guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. Welcome to another monthly haul video for the month of July. You all must be wondering, एक और video in the same category. It is because I'm sure you all must be aware that Amazon is going to have their biggest sale, which is on the 26th of July and 27th of July, which is their Amazon Prime Day sale. So I thought this video might help you in making an informed decision. So here I am. Today I will be uploading the beauty categories video, and tomorrow I will be uploading the fashion categories video. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to know what I got from Amazon, then please keep on watching. I'll start this haul with something that I've been obsessed with lately. I have been mentioning this in all of my videos practically. The one that I'm talking about is by Swiss Beauty. It's their HD matte lipstick. I already have a swatch video up on my channel. If you haven't checked it out, I'll link it down below so that you can check it out. But I did not try all the shades, which is practically impossible. So the few shades that I tried, I did not try the one that I have purchased right now, which is Cute Nude. In fact, one of my dear subscribers, I don't remember the exact name, but I think as far as I can jog my memory, it was Kavita who suggested me to try this shade. And oh my god, I am so happy that I got this shade as well. This is Cute Nude, and it is such a nice nude, you know, brown shade which will flatter everyone. I'll just swatch it for you all, and this is how it looks like. It's so gorgeous. I can't even wait to try it out. So yeah, this is my first purchase, and I would highly recommend you. Please go ahead and try one shade at least from Swiss Beauty. I think it's out of stock everywhere, and on Amazon only I could, you know, see a stock of it. So yeah, this is my first purchase. My next purchase is in the same category. It's a liquid lipstick from a brand that I had never heard of before, but I just got it for the packaging. It looked really premium. The one that I'm talking about is by Vinka, and this is how the packaging looks like. I've got this in the shade Brownie Wave. Can you just appreciate this? Oh my god, I really liked it. The shade looks like this. It's a very nice burnt orange nude, and I can't even begin telling you how good this will look on dusky skin tone. I am, you know, looking forward to try this. Now, if I briefly just tell you about the formula, it's a little bit heavy. Like, it's not runny like most of the liquid lipsticks. It's a little heavy while applying. Also, this is a little bit drying, so applying a lip balm underneath would do the job. And yeah, I am looking forward to try more shades from their range, but if you want to give them a try, you can surely do it. I will leave all the links down in the description box below for you to check it out. My next purchase is the much hyped Swiss Beauty's HD Concealer, and this is how it looks like. A lot of you requested me to try it, and I've heard so many good reviews about it. So finally, I have got my hands in this one. My shade in this is Stark Nude 05, and this is how it looks like. The swatch is somewhat like this. Now, usually, if you all know, I apply concealers, let alone, and I just go out. I don't prefer using foundation on a daily basis, but this shade can only match me if I have applied a foundation. I like my concealers to have that orange undertone so that it cancels out my dark circles and everything. So yeah, I think I have to purchase another shade to match my skin tone perfectly, but today I have applied it under my eyes and on my high points, and I am really impressed. It is having that sheer coverage, which is what I always look for. In fact, I do not like those very heavy concealers. That just does not work for me. And yeah, I think if you can find a shade for yourself, I would highly recommend it. My next purchase is again one of my most favorite purchase from this entire haul video. It's a perfume. Miniso के बिना मेरा haul complete नहीं होगा. I've told you all before also. It's their portable perfume in the variant Strawberry Champagne, and oh my god, I think I found that one perfume which I am going to be obsessed for the longest time. Like, I know it, I'll always be obsessed. I will keep on repurchasing this because honestly, It is so good. Oh my god. I just want everyone to smell this. It is so good. Again, if you ask me the keynotes, I cannot explain. I am poor in explaining perfume keynotes, but this is good. Okay, and if you all trust me, please just purchase this. If you are looking for a perfume, you would really thank me. The next product is again from a category that I wanted to try since a very long time. It's a brow mascara and I just couldn't find the perfect one. Calabar genuinely has really great makeup and I was like, isi ka dekh lete hain. I've got the Calabar's Brow Me Fiber Mascara and this is how it looks like. It's a very nice chocolatey brown sort of a packaging. I'll show you the swatch of it. It's just perfect amount of pigmentation. Something that I have worn right now and it looks very natural, and I'm all about natural, look, that, what do you say? I woke up like this sort of a brow, and that's exactly what I went for. This is how the swatch is. It's just the perfect amount of pigmentation. Also the color is perfect. I do not like a brown to be applied on the eyebrow. I know it works for a lot of people. It does not work for me. My eyebrow hair is a little dark, so I look for something that is just between, a hint of brown and black. Not exactly black because I will look like a mad woman, but that perfect blend, and this is exactly that shade. And the brows, you can just see how natural and how nice they look. My next purchase is relatively a new launch. Swiss Beauty has recently launched their Platinum Nail Polish range. I've got one shade which is 03 and it's a black chunky sort of a shade. You'll see me wearing it in one of my videos. They have launched this in a lot of shades. You can surely check out the website for more details and everything. And yeah, my next purchase is a restock of one of my most favorite face shaving razors. If you are somebody who follows me, you would know that Kai's facial razor is something that really impressed me. I have tried a lot of facial razors and this is by far the best one, and the deal that I got in this one is amazing. I got two packs as you can see, 2 packs, which is 6 razors for just $199. So if you are somebody who uses facial razors, please check them out. These are really inexpensive and really great. The next few products are going to be from one brand which is Plum. Again, not a sponsored video, but I genuinely enjoy using Plum products and there were a lot of things in my wish list since a very long time, so I thought why not. The first thing that I got is the Plum's Avocado Cleansing Shampoo and this is how it looks like. I can't wait to try this out. This is extremely good for dry and damaged hair, and I have very dry and frizzy hair. So I am looking for mild gentle shampoos all the time, so I am looking forward to try this. Right now also, like, I freshly shampooed my hair and the day that I shampoo my hair just doesn't behave, so please ignore all the frizziness. Next day it will calm down and it will be all nice. But yeah, that's my first thing that I got. The next thing that I got is the Plum's Ginseng Fall Rescue Scalp Serum and this is how it looks like. I haven't tried it out yet and I have purchased this only because I've heard really good reviews about it, so can't wait to try it out and share my thoughts with you all. Next thing that I got from Plum is a restock. In a few of my previous haul videos, I had mentioned that I had purchased the Plum's Body Loving Creme Lotion in the variant Driving Me Cherry, and as you can see, I've completely finished it off. Just a little bit is left right here. I'll finish it off in a week or so. So that is why I've purchased another variant from the same range, which is Hawaiian Rumba, and this is how it looks like. What I extremely love about this lotion is how effortless this is. It just easily blends in the skin. I do not have to rub my skin again and again to get the product to soak up, and that is why I find it hassle-free, and I think this is one of my most favorite body lotions that I've ever come across. So yeah, you can definitely check it out. The next purchase is from a brand that never fails to impress me. The one that I'm talking about is by Juicy Chemistry. I've got their Chili Horsetail and Blackseed Hair Oil and this is how it looks like. This is a little expensive for the quantity, but again it's Juicy Chemistry. Their products are magical and it is freshly made, so I can't wait to try this. Currently the hair oil that I was using was the Ectase hair oil and I absolutely loved it, but I couldn't find it on Amazon currently, so I thought नए product को try देते, and that is why I've got this. I'll update you how this performs in some way or the other, so yeah, do follow me so that you are aware about all my likes and dislikes. So yeah, moving on. My last purchase in this haul video is something that comes in very handy for my lip swatch videos. I'm talking about Wet Wipes by Littles, and this is a pack of 3. Again, this is very inexpensive. Also, you all know how many lip swatches I do on a regular basis, so those cotton pads do not come in very handy because that just means a lot of cotton pad usage and a lot of product usage as well. So these Wet Wipes help me a little more. With that, we come to an end to this monthly beauty haul video. I hope you found this helpful. Amazon is having huge discounts, so make the most out of this time. And yeah, I'll see you in my fashion video which is coming tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.